Hello viewers, today I will teach you exercise number D, part number 1 on page number 4 to 5. First of all, part number 1 is make up questions and answers about the pictures on page number 4 like these. Now you can see the picture here. A woman, Mrs. Parvez, goes to the market and the day is here every Monday. Second picture, Sajda watches television every Thursday and Arshad plays football every Wednesday. The boys play table tennis every Saturday. The men play chess every Sunday. So this is the chart. Now, here the box is given to you. In this box, you can see the example, make up the questions and answers like this from the picture. What is Mrs. Parvez doing? She is going to market. This is a present continuous tense and is given in an example. Full stop. She goes to the market every Monday. And second sentence is about the routine work, which is a present simple tense. And if you want to check out my videos for present continuous tense as well as present simple tense, so I will give you the link in the description as well as in the end screens. Now let's start. First picture, which is already given to you. The second picture is Sajda. So what will happen? You have to make the questions like, what is Sajda doing? Second picture is about the Sajda. What is Sajda doing? And answer will be, she is watching television as given as information given in the picture. Second is, Sajda watches television every Thursday. Is it clear? The third picture is Arshad. What is Arshad doing? So the answer will be, what? Arshad is playing football. He plays football every Wednesday. Now check out the picture information. Every Wednesday and Arshad plays football. Next is, what are? Now it's become are. Why? Because it's about the more than two people as they. What are the boys doing? So the boys change into pronoun as they. They are playing table tennis. They play table tennis every Saturday. Is it clear? Now the next picture is the men. This is a plural one. More than one man you can see here. What are the men doing? So answer will be, they are playing chess. And the above information every Sunday. They play chess every Sunday. So is it clear? Now part number 2. In part number 2, you have given again a rectangular chart which is given as the information, or you can say as an example, which you have to follow. Make up 8 questions and answers like this box. Does Mrs. Parvez go to the market every Monday? Yes, she does. How we check it? We check it from the picture. Yes, she does. She goes to market every Monday. It's right. Next. Does Mrs. Parvez watch television every Tuesday? No, she doesn't. Check from information from this. Yes, this is a wrong thing, that she is not watching television, Mrs. Parvez, on Thursday. Sajda is doing this. So make up the questions like this. Now let's start. Does Sajda watch television every Thursday? Now way of making questions is that you can easily change the days as well as the working from the picture. You can change for making 8 questions like this, means in a yes or affirmative positive statement or in the negative sentence. So this is very easy. So does Sajda watch television every Thursday? Yes, she does. Now we can make the another question. Does Sajda watch television every, for example, Friday? No, she doesn't. It can be possible. And another example is, does Sajda watch television every Friday? No, she doesn't. Like this, does Arshad play football every Wednesday? Yes, he does. To check out from the picture, yes, Arshad play football every Wednesday. This is the right information. Now we can make the negative as well as, does Arshad play football every Thursday? No, he doesn't. So check it from this. Yes, it is wrong. So how this is a way to make the question and answers. So do the boys play table tennis every Saturday? Now you can check it. Play table tennis every Saturday? Yes. Yes, they do. So answer will be yes, they do. Do the boys play table tennis every Sunday? No, they don't. You can check it from the picture that they are not playing the chess on Sunday. They are playing the table tennis on Saturday. So next is, do the men play chess every Sunday? Yes, they do. This is the right. Do the men play chess every Monday? No, they don't. So this is about the part 1 and part 2. We can do also part number 3. Part number 3 is about, now exercise number D, part number 3 on page number 4 to 5. Make up 10 sentences from the picture which is given on page number 4. 5 sentences must be used does not or doesn't, and 5 must use do not or don't, you can say. So this is very easy. Mrs. Parvez does not go to market every day. You can change it as well as every month, you can say, or you can say every year. So this all will be the negative statements, sorry, not the questions. Sajda does not watch television every day. Arshad does not play chess. Mrs. Parvez does not play football. Sajda does not like to play chess. The boys do not go to market every Monday. The men do not go to market. The boys do not watch television. Mrs. Parvez and Sajda do not play table tennis. Next is, Arshad and Sajda do not like to go to market. So this is all about this. The questions for 5 as a do not or 5 with use with the does not. So this is very easy. You can change it as well as the working days as you want. So this is about the lecture of exercise number D, part number 1, 2 and 3.